All right, guys, ladies and gentlemen. So it's basically Tuesday, like Tuesday, 19th of August. Yeah. So we just continue with the TMX updates, and today just we're gonna speak more about the exactly TGE part. Yeah, like about the venture capital, about the TMX token, because some of the guys was asking today. Yeah, me about the our private sales stage. Yeah. So basically what it was for, and just like how much money we already made and how much money possible to make on that. And in the same time, yeah, so like when the TG is closed, I think we already with Dave been provided on the yesterday Zoom, yeah, that like the Sunday is going to be the last day for the TGE. And after that, Jake will gonna close that. So let me just check the date once again. I think it's going to be like 24th of August. Yeah. So like exactly. Yeah, it's going to be August 24, and that will be the last day to join basically the TGE part. And yeah, like let's just go right here today to that what we have, so we can just find out with you that it's already like almost 374 Ethereums that what is collected for now. And the really cool part about that just like most of that money which was right there, it's already locked, and like basically all of them is locked. But the price, yeah, it was $4,000. Yeah, like if it right now around like 4,140 145. Yeah, so like it been fixed by the $4,000. So anyway, that's the really great price. Yeah, because like at the beginning we thought to fix it by the 3,500, and after that, Jake make prediction that the price will gonna hit more than 4 grand. And just like the most of the people from the community, they vote like for the 4,000. Yeah, and it was basically the right decision to do that, because like for today it's like 4,142. Yeah, and we can see that the price is dropping right now. Yeah, because it was more. Yeah, so like it was just like 4,000, almost like going to the 5K, but like right now the market is dropped. And we can see that, yeah, no, like it's basically the great one, because if right now we're gonna have some correction, yeah, I'm not sure like if we're gonna have it. Jake, we're gonna go for tomorrow. Yeah, we're gonna provide exactly some market update if we're gonna go for the some correction or no. But like even if we will be for the 3,500, for the 3K, so it doesn't matter. Yeah, because all the guys already in, right? And the pool is 100% just like taking the profit from the pool. So like the pool is locked for the 4K. And let's say if right now you are decide to join for the TG part, so all you have to do, just buy some Ethereums if you don't have, but like just make sure that those Ethereums on the Arbitrum network, because like some guys, they just bought the Ethereums and like they're saying why basically it's not working, because it was exactly on the ERC20 network, but not Arbitrum network. So really important when you buying that. Yeah, so just guys, just make sure that you on the Arbitrum network on your MetaMask, or just basically on your Trust wallet, like from that wallet which you connected to the like TMX Tribe page. Yeah, like this one you can see, right? Just let me send it to you. And like if you join, let's say with some sponsor, so of course, yeah, like with your upline, just come back to him. Yeah, so he will gonna give you the link, and you can join that basically by the structure line. Yeah, by the sponsor line. So you can do that way. And just like today we had the question exactly about the private sale. Yeah, because right now what you can see, it's the token generation event. Yeah, so like that's the stage where all of these tokens gonna be available, gonna be active once the DEX will gonna go live. So you can stake them, you can sell them, you can hold them, you can do whatever basically you want to do with those tokens. But like before that, we had the event, which was called like private sale. Yeah, like the seed round, we can call it like that. And the price for that round was, guys, 50 cents. Yeah, so like I just received some questions today from Asian structure, and like people been asking, so like it's basically what it was for. Yeah, like the private sale stage, is it basically for the liquidity? So like how that works? And of course, guys, the answer is no, it's not for the liquidity. That stage of the private sale, it's for the project creation. Yeah, so like when just the project creating, like the startup, like the DEX, whatever it is, so they have the private sale. And like those people who support the project, who join on the early stage, so they receive, yeah, like all of these tokens by the best prices. Yeah, like the best price was 50 cents for the one TMX token. And like for today, yeah, like that what we're seeing, when basically pool was closed by the $4,000. Yeah, like most of the money. So the price was around $3, like 2.96, yeah, something like that. So we could say that for now, those people who join on the private sale, so they've got already like 600 percentages. And I think that's the pretty good result, yeah, already. And we are not even live yet. Yeah, so like just we can plus, this one, like 600. So it's gonna be just right here, like around $3. Yeah, like that, what you see is basically that what we've got, yeah, just like for now, yeah, like from the private sale until today. And of course, yeah, so like the price for the $3 is good. The $3 is also okay, even for those guys, most of the people who've been joined on the TGE. But definitely, yeah, like, so why many people join exactly on the private sale? Yeah, like big funds, tier one funds join on the private sale, because it could be the way when you invest in the venture capital, in the VC. Yeah, so if we're gonna go, let's say, to the website which is called crypto rank, yeah, so like .io. Let me just open that once again right here, guys. Yeah, so you can see the crypto ranks, and we can just open some funds, yeah, right here, the big funds who just like searching for the startups, yeah, and like, they are put right there, like, not just $50,000, not like 100, they just put millions in that. So let me just open from here, yeah, so it's gonna be much easier, yeah, so like to do that. So it's gonna be funds, and we can just go and check, yeah, so you can basically check the funds like Coinbase Ventures, like Hashkey Capital, you can see the Dragonfly Capital, so a lot of them. Maybe like some of these funds even you don't know, yeah, maybe you know it, I'm not sure, guys, but like all of these guys, yeah, all of these funds, they back in with the millions, sometimes billions of dollars. And of course, all of them searching for the startups, yeah, like, for the startups, which is potentially can provide a great profit. And like that profit, which our guys, yeah, like our community in the TMX, like join that basically profit which our community can receive, it's look like similar, yeah, like to those profit which funds receive when they join like the projects on the private sale, when they join like different startups and put millions in there, yeah, like when they join on the venture capital. So like what it means, for example, that that we are going right now with you, let's say, to the coin market cap, and we can open the price for the Solana. Yeah, like I think Solana for today around, it was like around $200, but the price a little bit dropped down. So we can see that for now it's $176. Yeah, and if we're gonna click on the all-time high, yeah, so we will see that the price right here was, when it was provided, yeah, to the coin market cap, like around $1. Yeah, like 0.95. Yeah, so around $1 when it just was provided. I think even a little bit more. Yeah, after that it just dropped. Like on this coin market cap, and after that it start to be rising, yeah, like completely like rising, then fold and rise. But you understand the point, right? You're buying this even not right here, and like with us, like those people who just bought the TMX tokens, so you're even buying this not right here, yeah, guys, you're buying that by much better price, because like these funds, yeah, like which you can see right here, they are not buying the tokens, they're not buying crypto from the market. Yeah, because once it's listed on the market and once it's listed on the exchanges, so of course the price gonna grow so high. Yeah, like the price definitely will gonna grow if project is baked with the some development, if project is based with the real solution, which basically need on the market. So it's not some kind of the meme tokens or some kind of the shit coins, because even sometimes meme coins is going up, yeah, like really high. But when the project is technological, yeah, and when the like big funds, they see potential in that, so like they join, yeah, like they put the really big money right there. Let's just open like any of them, for example, yeah, like this one, Polychain Capital, like this fund. So let me just yeah, so like you can see, and we can just find out the sector where these guys invest, yeah, like where the guys put the money. Artificial intelligence, yeah, you can see AI, they invest like 18.75%. In the layer 2.0, yeah, like not layer 2.0, just layer 2, 1875. Also you can see this LSDFi, yeah, this one, 12.5% in privacy, and also in the stable coin protocol. So, and we can just find out, yeah, so like all of their team just posted right here, and we can see also like co-investors who just joined the same projects, and we can find out that these people, yeah, like they really like put the like huge amount in these startups, like in the different startups, yeah, like which is just right here, and like they join also on the rounds when the price is the best, yeah, so like they're not buying this from the market again, they just join this on the early stages, and like that way they receive the maximum profit, yeah, like the maximum profit in this venture capital, and like that 600%, yeah, which we have for today, yeah, it's just the beginning, yeah, it's basically just the beginning, like, you know, for those guys who was with us, yeah, like at the start, and let's say if the price will gonna hit, like for example, just $30, like for the one TMX token, so it's gonna be 6,000 percentages in the profit. So let's say if you put $1,000 in the TMX on the private sale, yeah, so like, and after that when the price hit like $30, so you're gonna have $60,000 because it was 0.5%, $0.5, no, 1 second, guys, it was 0.55 cents, like 50 cents for the one TMX token. So it means that if we're just gonna divide it for this, it will be 2000 TMX tokens, yeah, and after that, once the price, let's say, hit, guys, $30, so it's gonna be like $60,000, like not bad, yeah, just to receive it from the $1,000, to receive this kind of the money. And you must understand that these results is possible to get only when you join on the really good stage, yeah, like on the private sale, on the seed round, even the TGE is good, yeah, because for now the TGE, the price like $2.96, yeah, so around like $3, and even if right now, yeah, the price will gonna hit, and like, and definitely will gonna hit, it just matter of the time, yeah, when it will gonna happen, like $30, so people anyway they will gonna make like 1,000 percentages, yeah, with that, because let's say if it's the price gonna be $3, yeah, so just right here, like $3, and we're gonna hit like $30, it's already also gonna be the good profit. But like, of course, the price can hit even more, yeah, so it's depend how the community, yeah, like we're gonna work, and I think like we have the basically really great community right here, also like many exchanges gonna list our token, and you know that what we have is the real solution on the market, because it's like, you know, the actual product, yeah, which right now everyone's need, it's not some kind of the centralized exchange, it 100% decentralized, and like, you know, the same stuff we can see with the GMX. You already guys basically seen that platform, yeah, we just showed that many times on the Zooms, like GMX IO, and like we're gonna have the really similar exchange, yeah, like really similar stuff, like, and also the engine gonna be similar. So Jake should basically present that tomorrow, yeah, so how it will gonna look like, also it's gonna be possible even to trade on some demo mode, and what is the really the difference, that all we need to do just basically connect our wallet, yeah, and that's the really cool. So it's gonna be something like this, just click launch the app, yeah, right here, and just you can see that I think I already been connected, yeah, this on the previous Zooms. So you don't need basically to make the registration, you don't need to pass the KYC, you don't need to provide some information about yourself, or you don't need to send them the statements about your bank account or something like that, because it's just going between your wallet, yeah, like, and between the exchange. So there is no third party who can connect it somehow, or who can log the withdrawals for you, because I had the issue with one of the centralized exchange, yeah, so you can see right here is Weeks, and also I've been working with something similar, yeah, like with the similar exchange, and basically just because of the one transaction which I made, they will start to think that this money is not clean, and they blocked my transaction, they blocked my account, and for the 2 months I was trying to restore it, yeah, so like I'm just not saying that the centralized exchanges it's something bad, yeah, like it's the really also cool stuff. There's a lot of the way to make the money even with the centralized exchanges, because they have like, you know, some kind of the affiliate system right here. If let's say you bring the traders, if you bring liquidity providers, it's possible to make, but they control us, you know, like they control basically everything. And for example, yeah, so they will gonna think that your money can just be sent from some suspicious wallet, or maybe like this money just went from some source like that they don't trust, and they can ask you any basically document they want. Yeah, so they can ask you, so basically where you got that money from, so just send us all the information, so like where that money came from. After that, please send us your bank statement, when bank statement is not related to the exchange, like it's two separate stuff, because I've been sent like my bank statements from the two banks, and just I don't know how basically it's connected to the exchange, yeah, like where it doesn't work together. But anyway, anything they ask you, you must provide, yeah, because if you're not gonna provide, so they will not gonna unblock your account, and just you don't have the access to your funds. So that's like not the really cool part about decentralization. And just like because of that, what I see right now, so many guys, they just want to go 100% to the DeFi sector. They want to be decentralized, and like in the same stuff, and in the same way, we're just creating the TMX global, yeah, about which one Brian will gonna go more tomorrow, and we're gonna speak how that works for now, yeah, so like on the which stage we are, when is the launch. And like the guys just don't need basically to like all the time provide all of this stuff about the decentralized, about the like verification and all that stuff. Of course, for the cards, yeah, there's going to be some light KYC about to do that. But if we talk exactly about the TMX exchange, about the TMX part, so there is like no centralization right there, like at all, and just only we control the finances, and I think it's the best. Yeah, like in the same time, yeah, like DeFi can be risky. Yeah, like it can be risky because you are just the only one who secure everything, and you're only the one who have the access. And in the same time, for example, if you connect your wallet to some suspicious website, and maybe just you will not gonna see like some risk, or maybe just you're gonna find some phishing website, so it's not gonna be GMX.io, for example, or TMX.io, or just it's gonna be something with the, let's say, gmx.net or something like that, and you just by the mistake will gonna connect your wallet, will gonna approve some address, and your money could be like moved, yeah, from your balance, yeah, if let's say it's on the MetaMask or whatever it is, like because right now a lot of the hackers, they just trying to make some scripts to pull the money from the wallet. So all the time you must double check, triple check when you approve something, when you make the transaction, so what it asking for, so like if it's some phishing website or not phishing website, and just like nobody will gonna restore it for you, when like the centralized exchanges like Binance, Bybit, these Wix, and so on, so like they are responsible, yeah. So for example, if something happened, like you just seen, I think like 6 months ago, something like that. So Bybit been hacked for like 1 billion, something like that, for $1 billion. And anyway, yeah, so like people is still have the money, yeah, like even they just move something. So with the decentralized, it's not gonna be possible like that. So if somebody will gonna steal the money from your wallet, it will gonna be gone forever. Yeah, so just like that. But we just like today, guys, want to provide the main point, yeah, about the TGE part, that for today, yeah, like the price for our token, yeah, for the TMX token around $3. And if you join today, so you still have the big benefit to receive much more, yeah, like in the profit, because many times like people just come back to us, come back to Jake, and asking what is the best crypto to buy right now, yeah, because like it should be altcoin season, definitely the many crypto will gonna rise, but which one is the best, which one have the potential. And we of course, guys, can recommend our token, yeah, like the TMX token, because we have the real exchange. Of course, many traders, many liquidity providers will gonna use it, and the price will gonna go high, yeah, like the price will gonna grow. And we have the big example, yeah, like the really good example about this GMX, yeah, like about this GMX, I think like right there, or like that is gonna be correct. So if we're gonna go here, yeah, to the coin market cap, so we can find out that in a moment GMX price was how much right here, yeah, so let me just do like that, like $86. I think on the trading view it was around $90 for the one GMX token, and we have the like all basically potential to hit the same. like even more. So just think about, yeah, like, those guys who joined by the 50 cents, so they have the really great chance to fix the profit even like by the $50. I think it's great. Even $10 is the great basically profit. You can fix it by the part. Many guys from the community asking, so what you were gonna do with the tokens, guys? How you were gonna sell it? And we don't have some advice right now to provide for those people who just want to do something with their token. Because let's say you can just suggest for someone to fix the profit, like some part of the profit. After that, the token will gonna grow even more higher, and the people start to say, so like, why you just told us to fix the profit? Yeah, the token is still growing. So it's basically up to you. We're gonna just post that what we are doing, guys, with the tokens, and just you can follow. You can go by your own strategy, but our prediction, yeah, is definitely that we are gonna be like $50, $80, and even more. Yeah, because we have all signs, we have all potential to be right there. Yeah, like with that what we have for now. And of course, like we going for that goal, yeah, like together with the all of that what we have. And just like is the matter of time once we're gonna hit that. Yeah, so we have Dave right here. Yeah, like Dave also, we're gonna add something. I see that he just without the camera, but Dave, you can just add some part. We're not making, like this too long, guys. Yeah, for today, like the main point, yeah, about the TGE part, that is gonna be the last week. Yeah, the Sunday is the last day. So if you want to buy the TMX token, you can like make it today. Yeah, like the Sunday is gonna be, like I said, the last day, and after that, TGE is gonna be officially closed. Yeah, the Friday is gonna be the Zoom, like when the TGE is gonna be closed, and Sunday is the last day. So just like that, guys. Yeah. So Dave, maybe we're gonna add something.
Yeah, no, thank you, Tim. Yeah, just like Tim was saying earlier, a lot of decentralized options are the way to go. You want to choose that route versus the centralized. I mean, what we have with TMX is basically something where you're getting rewarded for staking versus some other exchanges. They're centralized. They're not going to give you any rewards. Sure, they're going to go ahead and take your money, and traders could use it and people could swap their tokens and they're going to get paid on the fees and everything. But at least with TMX, kind of like what GMX created, you're getting compensated, you're getting rewarded for basically just staking your tokens, right? So it's a really, really powerful way to really make some good profit. And then like Tim was saying, we have until Sunday to buy some more tokens. And I think this is the last stretch. This is something where, if you bought tokens, buy some more. If you haven't bought, what are you waiting for? You got to buy some. This is it, guys. So Sunday's the last day. Tomorrow's a big Zoom with Jake. He's going to give some really, really good updates. He's been really, really hard at getting this past the ninth inning so we can get that last home run. But you guys, this is an exciting time. I'm pumped up, and that's just one of those things where we just got to be a little bit more patient. And a lot of amazing things are going to happen. It's right around the corner. So, anyways, you guys, I'll leave that, and then tomorrow will be the big Zoom with Jake. So I'll send it back to you, Tim.
Yeah, thanks, Dave. Yeah, like we know, guys, that you want to be you want to be updated about the listing part, about that when the platform will gonna go live, about like where exactly it's gonna be listed. Yeah, so it will be from the Jake tomorrow and Friday. Yeah, so he'll gonna provide all of that answers to your questions. Yeah, and we just keep going for 5 Zooms this week. Yeah, like Wednesday is gonna be the big one. Also, the Thursday, I think, is gonna be the last one for the TGE part. Yeah, and that's it. Yeah, that's pretty it. The Friday is the close Zoom of the TGE, and we're just going for the next stage. Yeah, like for the next stage where so many great stuff is gonna to happen. Yeah, like it's gonna be happening. So yeah, like I'm just checking some question. So here, private share buyers eventually will not be able to sell our tokens for the 6 months, so we are not able to sell and take profit from the expected token bull run. However, I understand it. We will have ability to stake our tokens and earn passively that way, and assuming higher price helping for the fire returns from staking. Yeah, like it's not gonna be it's not gonna be exactly when the platform is gonna go live. Yeah, because just it's created to do not dump the price like just like really, really, really much. Yeah, but it definitely will not gonna drop so like so much to the bottom, and like the price can be held even for the $20, $30 much longer than 6 months, and like it's gonna be the time for the people to like sell part of the tokens after that, or all the tokens, and fix much more profit than for those guys, let's say, who was on the TGE part right now, because like some people saying we're gonna sell the part of the TGE once the platform will gonna go live. Okay, no problem. You can do that. Yeah, like you can just sell by the $3 or like by the $4, something like that. But like when the price will gonna hit like $15 or $20, isn't not better to do that? Yeah. So like anyway, guys, you can just basically go by your own strategy, like how you want to do that. We're like right here cannot force the community like sell or not to sell, stake or not to stake, because like for now people already like made the money with the TGE. Yeah, so like they were gonna decide what they were gonna do with that. And for the like private sale part, yeah, like for the seed round, there's going to be much more profit, definitely. Yeah, so like 6 months is not basically big period of the time, yeah, like of the lockup period, because we see right now a lot of the companies which is going for the like exactly venture capital, like about the funds. So they have like sometimes 24 months, they have the 2 years of the lock period, and only after the 24 months they start to receive the tokens by the parts. Yeah, let's say by the 5% every month. That's how the venture capital is locked, and how the venture capital is works, to not decrease the price. Yeah, like to not dump the price. Yeah, and just here like 6 months, so it's not some basically big deal when you receive like in few thousands of the percentages in profit. So that's what basically we see right here, and that what we suggest to do. But anyway, guys, you decide by yourself how you want to sell it or not sell it. So we're gonna see you tomorrow, yeah, like with Jake part, and of course we're gonna provide all the latest news about the listing. You can ask all of your questions about some specific stuff, and like that way I think it's gonna be the really cool to understand where we're going. I'm fine with not having ability to sell for the 6 months if we have solid returns for the staking. Yeah, like definitely that's what we're looking forward. Yeah, because like personally me, I have like I think right now I have around like $40,000 in the TGE, also like a lot of the in the private sale, and I definitely will gonna wait for the like some better price, because guys, just like it's I seen some video, yeah, like recently. I'm not sure who posted that about the XRP, maybe some president or something. I'm not sure who that was, and he sold his XRP by like $2, something like that. He had like millions of the XRP, and after that price of the XRP like rise for the $3.50, and he was like recording the video. Damn, why I sold that XRP? I lost like millions of dollars. Like just not lost it, but didn't earn it. Yes, yeah, so something that way. So yeah, guys, that's what we see like potential in the TMX, and like just we definitely believe that all of those guys who are with us on the TGE, on the private sale, they will gonna get great profit, 100%. So thanks everyone. I will gonna post recording really soon, and we'll see you tomorrow on the Jake Zoom. Thanks, Dave.
Bye, guys.